Hello and welcome to your daily entertainment buzz right here on Odata GTV exclusive. Okay, so kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so as you already know, there's a beef. There's fire on Shatta Wale's camp. In the camp and on the camp and around the camp, the whole place is on fire. And today, I think Shatta Wale is trying to be smart, but Shatta Wale, how smart he can get. He doesn't go anywhere. He is trying to get ahead of the game, trying to open keys before Pop Skinny will open any keys. And today, Shatta Wale himself has confirmed the rumors that he allowed people to bank Shatta Michy whilst they were going out so that he can get money. And people used to say that his former, I don't know if Nana Pia Mensah Xylophone is still managing Shatta Wale, but it was said that the only reason Shatta Wale even got the deal as Xylophone was that he allowed Shatta Michy to be banned by Nana Pia Mensah. And today, Shatta Wale has put on his Snapchat that he knows his girl used to bank other men, but he did take him money. So we are saying that Shatta Wale allows Michy to be banked by other men for money. And this is a very sad thing. Shatta Wale is, we know he likes to play below the belt, but now it looks like he's lying on the floor playing. It's too much. It's too much. And if he did, the lady banks, let other men bang her for you to get money, and now you are saying this, are you trying to disgrace her or what? And is it even true? That is the point. Is it even true? Or is it because now there's nothing going on? So is he trying to say he knew people were sleeping with her and he still proposed to her to marry him? So what? He was marrying some, what is Shatta Wale trying to tell us? That he wanted, is it that he has no respect for himself or what? That he wanted to marry some woman he knew other men were sleeping with? Or it's just that he never loved the lady in the first place and that he just needed her for business? Well, that's up to Shatta Wale and his private life and all that. But I think they should know their limits. They should just know their limits. Okay, so this has been your daily entertainment buzz right here on Odata GTV exclusive. Do well to subscribe and watch out for our next content. Bye.